For this demonstration, I'm going to create and set up an Automation Direct Logic 05 communications port. So we go up to the communications menu and select K-Sequence. K-Sequence is the protocol that is used to communicate to the Direct Logics. And now we need to make a port. We'll just call it port 1. Now we have a Direct Logic port. We need to go up and set the serial settings. Select Settings. We're going to be using COM port 3. And the remaining of the settings we can leave as default because we know that these are the correct settings. We can select Test. If we didn't know the port settings were correct, we could select the cycle port attributes. And if this was enabled when we select the test button, the program would cycle through all of the serial port settings, issuing reads and trying to get acknowledgement at the different settings. But since we know these port settings, we don't need to use that feature. So we'll select Test, and we see that issued is incrementing, acknowledged is incrementing, so we know we have communications with the DL05. Select the Stop button, select OK, select OK. Now we're going to set up a read to read the first word of inputs of the DL05. So we select Reads. The memory type is going to be inputs, which is the X type. We're going to start at register 0, and it's going to be one word of data. And we'll enable it so when we go on into runtime, it'll issue reads. Select the test. Now we see that the reads is counting. It's being requested in the counting, and this is the inputs. I'm going to toggle these inputs. We see that they do toggle correctly. So we are communicating with the DL05 and getting the correct word of data. As you see here, the DL05 uses octal addressing. So select Exit, say OK, OK, and then save the project.